CODIGGERS, a branch of ARSSITE. CODIGGER helps to reduce complexity of code and generate new idea for algorithm. So stay with us. Hello boss, so today's topic is Armstrong number. First let's see definition of Armstrong. A number is thought of as an Armstrong number, if the sum of its own digits raised to the power number of digits gives the number itself. For example, 0, 1, 153, 370, 371, 407 are three-digit Armstrong numbers, and 1634, 8208, 9474 are four-digit Armstrong numbers and many more. Before coding, see this. If there will three-digit then power will be 3 and, if four-digit then power will be 4. I hope you are clear with term Armstrong, so let's start coding. Taking variable.
It sound right, boys.
Explanation of code. Initially taking variable, 4 variables, user, cast, OPR, cast2. User for taking input from user. Cast and cast2 for changing the type of input into integer, that is typecasting. OPR for operation of power. Simple structure, so let's move forward. Now taking for loop with range function, it start with 0 to the length of the input, and increase till, reads every digit then do power operation. Now taking if-else condition, which is very simple. Input is equal to operation, that is OPR is equal to cast, then show output Armstrong, else not. Move ahead, so OPR function is power, double asterisk in Python used for power operation. Let's see some outputs. CODIGGERS, a branch of ARSSITE. Dig code, dig big. Don't forget to subscribe ARSSITE.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.